Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to connect Shopify with Amazon. So the first step is to simply go to your settings of your Shopify store and then simply go to apps and sales channels, and then here you'll have to simply click on Shopify App Store, and then here you'll have to simply search for Amazon. And as you can see, there are plenty of apps that you can use, but I really recommend you to use this one here from as you can see, Reputon Amazon Importer, which is free, so you can check out their reviews. So after that, simply click on install, and then you're gonna get redirected to Shopify, and then here you'll have to simply click on install app again, and then basically all you have to do is simply wait. And then as you can see, we can start, so you can click on start, and as you can see, copy the Amazon product link, and basically have to simply enter the Amazon product link. So let's paste in this product here, and then simply click on import, and as you can see, we have the product, and then simply click on add product, and basically is that easily. So as you can see, we have our product and it's active. So if you go to products, we can see right here. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's see you in the next video.